If your pool cleaner keeps tipping over or missing spots, it might be time for an upgrade. Today, I'm testing the Upgrade Pool Pressure Side Sweeper, and as they say, 4 wheels are better than 3. Let's see if it lives up to that claim. This is a professional-grade solution for pool cleaning, designed to give you more stability, better coverage, and less maintenance. Here are the 5 features that make it stand out. 4-wheel drive stability. The extra wheel makes a big difference. More stability, less tipping, and smoother navigation across the pool floor. Pressure side cleaning power uses water pressure from your pool's pump to move and collect debris, taking strain off your main filtration system. Large capacity debris bag handles everything from fine dirt to big leaves without clogging or needing constant emptying. Durable build and upgraded materials, heavy-duty wheels, body, and hose connections built to last season after season. Simple maintenance and parts replacement. Every major component is easy to remove, clean, or replace without special tools. Excellent stability and coverage. The 4-wheel design keeps it upright and moving smoothly, even over drains and slopes. Handles big debris easily. The large bag means fewer stops to empty it, even after windy days or storms. Low ongoing cost. It works with your existing pressure side pump system, so there's no extra motor to replace. Requires a pressure side pump. It's not plug and play for all pools. You need the right pump setup for it to work. Learning curve in setup. Adjusting hose lengths for optimal movement can take some trial and error. In testing, the sweeper covered the entire pool floor and navigated around steps without getting stuck. The debris bag held plenty of leaves and twigs, and cleanup afterward was quick. So, is the Upgrade Pool Pressure Side Sweeper worth it? If you've got a compatible pump system and want a reliable, stable cleaner that can handle big jobs, I'd say yes. It's a long-term investment for an easier pool life. Check it out at the link in the description. https://amzn/4miw0j7 and enjoy more swim time, less scrub time. Thanks for watching.